the spray booth, ready to go. Already started masking. I just gotta throw the plastic over it, and we're gonna raise it up a little bit. Spot this corner, spot that corner, and then clear the entire quarter. We gotta lift it up because I gotta get to this lower rocker. And this car is very, very low to the floor, so we're gonna throw a couple boards under the tires and then we'll get rid of the jack. Quick, easy job, nothing unordinary. I'm gonna continue masking it. Once I'm done, we'll throw the plastic over it, and then I'll show you guys how I go about spraying. All right, we are officially masked up, ready to rock and roll. We'll be spraying the quarter panel, little piece on the front there, and the new rocker guard that we did. So we'll spray the whole lower section, blend it out into the quarter, and then we'll clear coat the entire thing. I got my, first things first, base coat blender. It's just a clear base coat. I'm gonna apply over everything. It's just gonna kind of give us a nice uniform finish. It's gonna clean everything up and make it a lot easier to blend out our color. And then I already have my color mixed up as well. Color code is, let me show you guys. What was the color code? I did a spray out just to make sure our color was on point, and D5C. So I go punch it in, D5C. There we have it. Shark blue, Porsche 2020 and up. It's a solid, no metallics in it, but it looks beautiful. But yeah, so that's why I already have my color mixed up when we did our spray out. And on new cars, new colors, I always do a spray out and save them for the future. Got a whole stack of colors. I recently started the metal ones, so we'll just stick this one here. So this is a Audi color, also similar. It's a lot more baby bluer. This is a McLaren, but that has metallic in it. You can see how much different the metallic is and how it shifts colors. Like here it looks lighter, here it looks darker. Crazy. But yeah, always do my spray outs, always save my spray outs. I actually sprayed one of those cars. I wonder if this is the color. I think it is. Shark blue. That's our Lamborghini Urus. I don't know if you guys watched that video. I have it posted. We got ultraviolet purple. It's also a Porsche, Ferrari 322. This is GM, and then this is a Porsche Racing Yellow. All right, let's get this party started. Porsche is painted and looking mighty fine, ready for Vlad to assemble it and get her back looking like new. Check it out. Masked it on this line where the windshield goes. We masked it on this original line where the windshield glue goes. Here we masked it along the welded part. Took the gasket from up top off, and then here the best way to do it is just to fold the rubber gasket. That way clear gets deep inside, and then we don't mess with the original windshield. When you unmask it, once the rubber gets warm, it's gonna seal it up. It's gonna be like nothing ever happened. So let's unmask this guy, pull it out, and on to the next. Thank you guys for watching this episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. I don't know if you guys remember this Lamborghini Nero Nemesis. We did the fenders and all the forged carbon. This is a factory matte finish, so we painted the fenders to match the rest of the car. Unfortunately, the customer did have a little incident and it came back to our shop. The front lip got scratched, but mostly the side one got pretty trashed, so we'll be repairing that. But good to see our customers coming back. Got this one will be in for repairs very soon. Couple Ferraris out here. Lots of cool stuff, lots of cool cars. If you guys want to see some more, don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram account, LNC Painter. You get to see a little more behind the scenes, what we do during the day. And yeah, thank you guys. See you on the next one.